Namaste. Good afternoon, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, all you beautiful ladies. It is an honor and absolute privilege to be here at the Global Women's Forum in Dubai 2024, a platform that since its inception has consistently championed the empowerment of women across all spheres of life. This summit is a shining example of what can be achieved when voices from diverse backgrounds come together with a shared purpose to inspire change, foster equality, and create opportunities for women worldwide. Let us begin by applauding the commendable work that the summit has accomplished over the years, from driving critical conversations to initiating impactful collaborations. The Global Summit for Women has been instrumental in reshaping narratives and amplifying the voices of women in leadership, entrepreneurship, and community development. This gathering is more than just an event. It is a legacy of empowerment, one that continues to grow stronger with each passing year. Allow me to take a moment to acknowledge and applaud the distinguished panel of speakers that you all have had the privilege of giving audience to. Their insights and experiences have reminded us of the power of partnerships, innovations, determination, and resilience. Whether you're leading international organizations, driving policy changes, or innovating in your respective fields, each one of you is paving the way for a more inclusive and equitable future. To everyone listening, you too serve a source of inspiration, representing the change makers of today and tomorrow, transforming discussions into meaningful action. When individuals from diverse cultures, industries, and walks of life come together, we not only amplify each other's insights, but also create a force of change, that which is unstoppable, a testament to the power of collective action. Today, I have been requested to speak on my advocacy for social causes and the transformative power of philanthropy. Life is a blessing, one that is meant to be shared. That is something that I've always tried to live by, the essence of my journey, both personally and professionally. And it is this belief that transcends individual success, to give back to society, to advocate for those without a voice, and to make meaningful, significant differences for people in need. From the earliest days of my career, I recognized the infinite potential of belonging to a global platform, a blessing that I have had the privilege of experiencing, all thanks to the unconditional love, support, encouragement, and blessings of my audience. And it is that very audience that has given me the conviction to recognize that this platform could contribute and potentially bring meaningful change, inspiring to lend voice to causes that needed further acceleration for their incredible ongoing work. The encouraging response to my giving voice to the dedicated work done by the Eye Bank Association of India showed how one could transform the lives in the simplest effective way. An individual's decision to give the gift of eyesight once they have passed on could illuminate another's life forever. Simple, effective, transformative. Another deadly disease, becoming too common for comfort, cancer, remains an ongoing battle for an alarming number of human beings at this point in time in the world. My commitment to working with the Cancer Patients Aid Association spans many years, and I continue working with them to spread awareness, provide support, raise aid, donations, funds, and bring hope to countless individuals and families battling this devastating disease. Cancer became deeply personal too, and personal experiences strengthened resolve with greater impetus and determination. Cancer is a growing global health crisis, and the numbers are staggering. In the last 5 years alone, the incidence of cancer has risen alarmingly, with reports indicating a 20 to 30% increase globally. As recently as 2022, nearly 20 million new cases were diagnosed, and cancer now accounts for almost 10 million deaths annually. Closer to home in India, over 1.4 million new cases are reported every year, and projections suggest that even a sharper rise is expected by 2030, a stark reminder of how colossal this battle is. These numbers are not just statistics. They represent real lives, families, and stories of struggle. They remind us of how much more needs to be done. I remain committed to this cause, joining hands with organizations like CPAA and many others who tirelessly work to bring light into the lives of those fighting cancer. Together, I believe we can bring aid, hope, and healing. Another cause extremely close to my heart is my association with Smile Train, a global organization that provides free cleft surgeries for children. The work Smile Train does is transformative, not just for the children who undergo surgery, but also for their families. For a child born with a cleft lip or palate, it can mean the difference between a life filled with stigma or one filled with opportunities. I am deeply grateful to Smile Train for honoring my late father by celebrating his birthday on the 20th of November every year as the Day of Smiles, and knowing that his legacy now lives through the smiles of children all over the world is truly a blessing. Thank you so much. I'm so